short lesson. The lesson is Introduction to Organic Chemistry. Let's start with this picture. It shows refinery and tank storage facilities, which are very important to change the hydrocarbons of crude oils to many different petroleum products. Petroleum products such as benzene, diesel, natural gas, NGV, LPG. So it's very important. That's why organic chemistry is very important to study. What is an petroleum product is one kind of hydrocarbon. So, what is hydrocarbons? Definition. Hydrocarbon is an organic compound made of only carbon and hydrogen atoms. Sorry. Okay. Hydrocarbons are found in many places, both including crude oil and natural gas, and it can be divided into types: saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Begin with saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons have as many hydrogen atoms as possible attached to every carbon. For carbon at the end of molecular chain, three atoms can be attached, and carbon at the middle of chain, two hydrogen atoms can be attached. So, saturated hydrocarbon have only single bond in molecule. And we can also call saturated hydrocarbons as alkane. And another kind of hydrocarbon is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbons have double or triple bonds between some of carbon atoms. That's what is, do you know? Double bonds. And the next one is triple bond. Yes, it's very good. It's triple bond. Yes. Unsaturated hydrocarbon can be divided into two types, that alkene and alkyne. Alkene, the carbon atoms are connected by at least one double bond, and alkyne, the carbon atoms are connected by at least one triple bond. That's shown in this slide. And the last one, Aliphatic Hydrocarbons are compounds of carbon and hydrogen that do not contain benzene rings. Aliphatic hydrocarbons tend to flammable, so we do not keep aliphatic hydrocarbon near to the fire. That's all today. Thank you very much.